And here we are. This is my home for the night. Hello, hello. I just got off work, packed my backpack and thought to go and test my new tent. And I remember a really cool place at a river, and I'm not 100% sure, but I think it could be here. Time's right now 17:20 and I should be there before 7 if the terrain isn't too bad. I'm starting to get really warm. I need to get rid of this. Oh. This is a lot better. And here we are. This is my home for the night. Okay, now I'm a bit torn. I was thinking to try the tent and put it up somewhere over there. Or, this is the thing, I'm here to try the tent because it's new, but I haven't slept in one of these in my entire life. And it could also be cool as the weather is nice, I have a sleeping bag, and just throw it out there. I will need to think about this. Okay, I've made my decision. The tent is gonna be over there. So, et voila. My home for the night. I'm gonna leave the rain cover like this because it currently doesn't look like it's going to rain, and I think it could be quite cozy, mosquitoes, to sleep under the stars. Let's try it. It looks so good. And it starts to smell good. Warm oil. Now I'm happy. I'm in my tent now. My camera's about to die. I'm gonna change the battery pack tomorrow. I'm gonna take out the sleeping bag in a sec. But until then, I'm just gonna enjoy everything around me for a while and hope that it's not gonna rain. Because otherwise I gotta pull the remaining rain cover out. Good night. Sleep well.